Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how to unfollow all Facebook following in one click. I'm Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. In order to unfollow all Facebook following in one click, first of all, go inside your Facebook account. Then at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the menu icon right here, the three-line icon. Click on it, slide down, go to Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings, slide down and then go to Audience and Visibility section. Go to how people can find and contact you, right? So the second option right here, click on it. Now go to every one of these options and minimize the privacy as much as possible. So let me go to this first option right here, click on it and select this option as friends of friends, right? Not everyone. Let's go to the second option, and in this option select the option as only me. Go back, go to the third option, click on only me again, and do the similar with the fourth option. And in the fifth option, in the question, if you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to a profile, you can just select this option off. If you have it on, then toggle this option off, and then that's it. That's how you unfollow all the Facebook following in one click. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.